Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Pad 11 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar on the left in my case, and the second option from the right is from the top is connected with the timer, so just tap on it. And in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. As you can see, the icon will change slightly, and now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, and if you'd like to turn it off, simply tap on this icon again and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.